In a tranquil sea, far from the hustle and bustle of the world, swam a wise old manatee named Maris. With his gentle demeanor and quiet strength, Maris was respected by all the sea creatures. One day, a young fish named Finley approached Maris, seeking wisdom. Finley was troubled, for he desired to lead his school of fish, but his peers laughed at his ambition. Maris, with a knowing smile, asked Finley, "What is it that you seek, Finley?" Finley explained his dilemma, and Maris thought for a moment. He then said, "A true leader is not one who seeks power, but one who serves." Finley, puzzled, asked, "How can a leader serve?" "By guiding, comforting, and protecting those in your care," Maris replied. "A leader is a beacon of hope in the ocean of life." Inspired, Finley returned to his school, determined to lead with kindness and wisdom. He proved to his peers that a strong leader could also be gentle and selfless. Years passed, and Finley grew into a wise and respected leader, embodying the teachings of Maris. His school of fish thrived under his leadership, and they all remembered the wisdom of the old manatee. In the end, Maris watched from afar, content in the knowledge that his teachings had made a difference. The tranquil sea saw a new era of harmony, thanks to the wise old manatee and the young fish who dared to dream.